We're gonna replace that old plastic that's been there for 15 years. It's busted.
With the new one. So.
With the new one, it's stainless steel and it's flat. It don't have that big guard on it. Oh, let's wait, Johnny. There we go. There we go. And that's it. That's Johnny's gonna install it. I'm using the gimbal, so forgive me if I suck at holding it. There used to be a dead mouse in there, Johnny. Oh, you should have got the mat. It's just a beam. 2 screws. Is there a dead mouse carcass in there?
Yeah. Just like lint on that kind of stuff.
Yeah, see, it just builds up too much. And what's stuck in the door there? No, the doors, the veins. What's that?
Yeah, build up lint.
Okay, now there's 4 screws inside that I put. Let's see if you can see if I zoom in. This thing's got a beautiful zoom. I reached the limit now. Okay, go ahead, Johnny. Oh yeah. Yeah, it keeps the mice out. It's overdue. We got to clean the pipe. We haven't cleaned the pipe in 10 years. I forget how it's about time. Just lazy and too many projects. Me, I got, sore lower back, so I can't keep up on everything like I used to. Mommy should have bring the magnetic tray out. Carefully so you don't wreck the pipe. Oh, Johnny, there's a screw there, Johnny. Another screw off the angle. Gotta pay attention to all them screws. I put a lot in because I wanted it attached to that pipe. This new one actually grips the pipe. That plastic one don't. There you go. Through. Go in so far and pull out. Pull out, Johnny. Watch when it comes out, it'll play. There you go. Just go a little bit. Don't go all the way because you'll push the stuff forward and you'll block it. And just go a little bit in and go a little bit out. Hey, Linda?
Yeah?
Do you have the thing set to air?
Yeah.
Okay, just wait. Johnny's you got the filter out?
No,
The lint filter? Go in further, Johnny. Watch out, there are sharp edges there. You're gonna eventually run into an elbow, but it's about 8 feet in is an elbow, Johnny.
Yeah, now I do.
Okay, just wait. Johnny's doing his thing. Okay, Johnny, step aside to the side a little bit. What's that?
Tie strap.
Tie strap in the. Wow, that's good. Michael's pocket. Linda,
Yeah.
turn the dryer on. Okay, now Johnny, stick that thing in there and keep going back and forth. It'll help you now. Going as far as you can. But keep your face away. We do a good job checking the lint filter, so we don't have that much buildup. Go all the way down, Johnny. Go in there about 8 feet, 9 feet. If it builds up where it doesn't want to go, twist it. Just twist the wire a little bit. See, that's meant as a pulling device, Johnny, not as a pushing device. There you go. I'll back out a little bit and get a picture of Johnny. There's the guy doing it. What are you looking at? Bees? Yeah, they love building nests there. Yeah, I see them going underneath the wall there. You know, I used to stick that, attach that to a broomstick and go up with it. It's
Not much lint. Okay, mostly a lot of just sand and that kind of stuff.
yeah, it's meant to, Johnny. You stick the one end in, and then you pull it through.
Oh yeah.
You pull it through. You don't push it through. But if you knew what it's going to take to get behind that dryer, Well, you got a lot of peace around you. There we go.
I don't feel no lint should be up. Should be up there. Clean, clean.
You don't hear nothing going up the hose?
No, it's very, very clean in there.
That's good. I got the call. Okay, now go ahead, Johnny. It just pushes on carefully in the hole. I have to twist a little bit when you're doing it, Johnny. Twist it when you're doing it a little bit. Like, Johnny, remember that pipe might take off on you, so twist it. You might have to bend some of the pipe to get it on. Is it in there? We got that stainless steel thing on Amazon. It was about 20 bucks. 25 bucks. Make sure the gasket's on good. Is the pipe pushed on it or not?
Yeah.
Or is the pipe pushed back?
No, the pipe is on it.
Don't lift up too high, Johnny. They don't work like the plastic ones.
Yeah, look, we're good. We're nice and solid.
Okay, now he's leveling it with the little bullet level. Now he's got it leveled. You got level, Johnny? You sure it's level?
Yeah, perfect level.
You sure it don't look level from here?
Yeah.
Of course, my head's probably crooked.
Yeah, told you that thing, perfect level.
Is this junk too?
Chunk. It's old plastic. Does it go in the same holes, Johnny? Don't worry if it don't. You just make your own.
No, but don't go in the same holes.
Of course it don't. Just an ant. How's the rubber gasket doing?
You're doing perfect good.
You ain't really sponge it? Do the other two now.
Yep.
That one might be a little bit.
Jay, you didn't get to see it.
Yeah, I didn't know.
All right. Victory. Okay, Lynn, it works. Turn it off. Look how nice they close.
That thing won't be coming off.
So it looks good on the sides. No water can get in, huh?
Yeah.
Good. All right.
But they should have the gas like city something. Once you get off, once you get on, you can't get off.
With the gasket sticks real hard.
Well, they should have like a little city something on the gas.
Okay.